The Mahabharata, one of the major Sanskrit epics of ancient India, is filled with epic war sequences. Here are 5 notable war fights from the Mahabharata. Bhishma vs Arjuna. Bhishma, the granduncle of both the Pandavas and Kauravas, was a formidable warrior blessed with the ability to choose the time of his death. During the Kurukshetra war, Bhishma fought on the side of the Kauravas. In the initial days of the war, he single-handedly took on the entire Pandav army. Arjuna, recognizing the challenge of fighting against his revered granduncle, initially hesitated in attacking Bhishma. However, under the guidance of Lord Krishna, Arjuna eventually engaged in a fierce battle against Bhishma, resulting in a dramatic clash of 2 great warriors. Karna vs Arjuna. Karna, the half-brother of the Pandavas and one of the key warriors on the Kaurava side, was known for his extraordinary skills as an archer. One of the most intense moments of the war occurred when Karna and Arjuna faced each other in battle. Karna had a powerful weapon, the Vasvi Shakti, which he reserved for Arjuna. The battle between these 2 skilled archers is often considered one of the highlights of the Mahabharata. Drona's formation. Dronacharya, the teacher of both Pandavas and Kauravas, was a master of military arts. During the war, he formed a complex and invincible formation known as the Chakravyuha, a circular military formation. Abhimanyu, the son of Arjuna, entered the Chakravyuha but didn't know how to exit. He fought valiantly against multiple warriors, showcasing his bravery and skill, but unfortunately, he was ultimately overpowered and killed. Bhima vs Duryodhana. Bhima, the second Pandav brother known for his immense strength, had a fierce one-on-one battle with Duryodhana, the eldest Kaurava. Their fight was symbolic of the long-standing enmity between the Pandavas and Kauravas. The duel took place towards the end of the war and resulted in Bhima using his might to strike Duryodhana's thighs, fulfilling a vow he had made earlier. This event led to Duryodhana's defeat and eventual death. Abhimanyu's last stand. Abhimanyu, the son of Arjuna, played a heroic role in the war. His most famous exploit was breaking into the Chakravyuha formation, a skill he learned while still in his mother's womb. However, due to his incomplete knowledge, he couldn't find a way out of the formation and fought valiantly against numerous Kaurava warriors until he was overwhelmed and killed. Abhimanyu's bravery and tragic fate are poignant moments in the Mahabharata. These war fights from the Mahabharata are not only epic in scale but also carry deep moral and philosophical implications, making the Mahabharata a timeless epic with enduring relevance. Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Mahabharata.